If you use multiple Dasha system in Devaguru, which is the software for Vedic astrology, and you are also working with high biographies, like more than 5 events, then this tool is for you, because you will notice that Devaguru is great software, but if you have many events, then it can become quite messy, because each Dasha will have own order and the same events will not appear in one line. So it takes a lot of time to see, oh, in Vimshotri Dasha, it was Jupiter Moon. In the Utpana Dasha, it was Ketu Mars. And in the Narayana Dasha, it was this period, and so on. You are constantly scrolling forward and back, and it's very hard to memorize those, especially if you are working already like more than 2 hours. Your executive power is a little bit on the lower end. I just created a tool which fixes that. It creates those, we could call it table, which all events are in line. So you have one event, and then you have each Dasha in that one line. So it is very good to rectify the chart, to also predict what will happen, to work with the clients, and to even see your own chart. You can use that, and it's very easily to run, because you have to just copy the Dashas from the Devaguru. So you can select them, copy them, and just paste them into this HTML, and it is creating that table. And it has also many nice points. First is that it is giving you also how deep is the sub period in the major period. So for those who are using the trend system, this will be very likely. So you can see, oh, this event was at the end of this Narayana Dasha or Vimshotri Dasha. So if you know how to use this trend, this will become a very nice thing for you, because you don't need even to open the Mahadasha. You will have a straight away percentage, and not only that, you will have a fraction. So it will tell you that it is in the first half, or it will tell you it is in the first third. Depends how the Dasha is divided to how many parts. If it's divided to 3 parts, then it will tell you, oh, it was in the third third. So then you know how to apply it if you are using the trend. Also, the nice thing is, if you are using with 2 monitors, or if you are splitting the screen, you can now put the whole Dashas on one part, and then you can also have, you can see the screen with the state of planets like combustion, the Graha Yuda, the Sun, the Gandanta. So now you have here the Dasha, and here you also have the state of planets. You have everything on the one side. Next good point is that it's not limited to the 4. Like in the Devaguru, we have 4 columns. Here you can even add more, so it can give you like 7, 6, 5 columns, depending how much you can use. So if you have many events, you may add many Dashas, and it will all be in line with the event. So it's very nice, easy for research. You can trace the event and see what was activated in each Dasha. And then for the notes, if you are doing rectification for clients, or you are preparing the content, then you can then check which events are of interest for you, and then you can click insert events, and then it will just list them below the table, and you will have the event and each Dasha, and then you can copy it to your software, your note-taking app, and then you can make some notes. It's completely offline. Nothing gets sent anywhere. It is doing all the computing in the HTML, so it's super secure. You just download it, and then you are just pasting the events there. Now, to demonstrate how it works, for example, here we have John updates chart. We have many events, and we have 4 Dashas. We have Adana Dasha, Standard Vimshotri, Narayana, and Naisargika Dasha. So for example, let's say you want to see when he was married with Mary Pennington, right? So normally you will have to do it like, oh, here it is Saturn, Mercury. For this, it may be easier because this is the beginning, but then if you are going farther, these Dashas are not having the same distribution of periods. So these events will land in the different places. So then it can become more difficult to trace where it is, right? So what you have to do, it is just you are copying all that, and then you are just pasting it here, and you click parse and build the table, and then you have everything listed. And here, if you click show fractions, it will show you in which trend of the dasha, the Antardasha is. So for example, and now you can see how easy it is. For example, here it is the daughter Elizabeth. Oh, it was in Saturn, Mercury. It was in the first half of the dasha. It was also in Ketu, Jupiter, right? It was, here we have the standard Vimshotri. Ketu, Jupiter. In the Narayana Dasha, it was Sagittarius, Pisces. In the Naisargika Dasha, it was Venus, Mars. So easy. You have one event and you have now 4 dashas. And you have also the fractions. If you have smaller monitor, you can just click hide fractions, that will hide them. And then you can also export the table for something you may need. What you can do is, if some of these events are interest for you, for example, for rectification's sake or any other thing, you can just mark them, like let's say the marriage, right? And the demise, maybe the separation and the demise, and then click insert events. And here below, you will have them listed here. So you have this marriage, you have separation, you have the demise, and then you have also the age, each dasha, and here you can just copy it to your software and then you can make notes. So it becomes very, very easy. So as said, this is for those who are using more than 2 dashas, many events, and they want to have this very fast in line, so they don't need to jump all the time and forget what was here the dasha, or they have to write it manually. So it is then now much easier. And also for those who are using the trend, either in Narayana Dasha or Udaika Dasha, this has also become quite handy because they don't need to open the Mahadash and see where it is. They just see here, you can see the percentage. So you know, oh, it's 90, 98. So it's just at the end. So then you know how to use it. Okay, guys, if you want to get it, the link is in the description. And yeah, I hope you will like it and you will benefit from it. If you have any comments or things how to improve it, then let me know in the mail or in the comment. And yeah, have a nice day.